Good morning. So today's session we have to discuss about how we provide a roof slab over this wall. Okay. So before we providing the roof slab, we have to decide where is the level of this wall. We have to put the floor slab or roof slab. Okay. So we know that all the levels are created in south elevation. So we have to go to the south elevation view. Then you can see this level is actually FTSL. FTSL is nothing but a first floor slab level. Okay, so this is the level we have to create a roof slab. Okay, so we have to go to FTSL plan in floor plans. Okay, so what is floor plans? There is floor plans are here. So FTSL. So we have to click FTSL. Okay, so here you can see the walls created in first floor. Okay, so we have to provide the roof slab over these walls. Okay, so first of all, we have to go to this architecture tab. Then there is an option roof. Okay, you have to click this roof, and in the property box, you can already see a roof as basic roof for. This is actually I created for the first floor, and if you want any change, you can change it from here. Okay, then you can go to edit type. If you want to change the name, you can duplicate here. Then it is the roof file. You can, if you want to change the name, if you want to provide any other name, you can do it from here. Okay, then you can put okay. Then if you want the thickness of the roof, okay, you can do it from here. You can go to edit. Then there is actually in the roof, we know that there are two layers because one is concrete layer and one is floor roof. Okay, roof tiles. Okay, so there are two layers are there. One is concrete and one is roof tile. Okay, so the roof concrete is 100 centimeter thick. Okay, if you want to change the thickness, you can change it from here. And also, if you want the thickness of this roofing, you can change it from here. Okay. So if you want to change the material also, you can change it from here. You can click here and you can choose roofing material, any roofing material from here. Otherwise, you can create new material from this option. Okay, you can create and duplicate materials, create new material, and you have to right click here and rename. I put the name as roof. Okay, so then you can go to appearance. Then there is an option replace this asset. Okay, click this and there is appearance library. There are a lot of options are there. There is roofing. Okay, you can click this and there are a lot of roofing tiles are there. Okay, you can choose any one option. So let me choose this option. Okay, and then close. Then you can see the roof tile you choose. Okay, so then apply, then okay, then okay, okay, okay. So this is the first step before we creating a roof. Okay, then we have to create the roof. Okay, so we know that there are two types of roof are there. Gabled roof and in sloping roof. Sloping roof, there are two types of roofs are there, gabled roof and hip roof. What is gabled roof? Gabled roof means the roof is sloped only two direction, right? What is gabled roof? Gabled roof means the roofs are sloped in four direction. Okay, otherwise we can provide the flat roof also. If I want to provide a sloped roof, you have to tick this option. Okay, if you want a flat roof, you want to untick this option. Okay, so in this case, in some places I want sloped roof and some places I want a flat roof. Okay, so the first case I have to put I have to place a sloped roof. So click define slope here. Then I want to draw the roof over the wall. Okay, so click this rectangle and now I have to provide the roof only this room. Okay, over this room only. So if you want any overhanging, you can provide here. Okay, you can provide it as offset. If you want a overhang from the wall. Okay, so I need here a 60 centimeter overhang. So 60 centimeter. That means in this project I said the unit as millimeter, so 600 millimeter. So you can draw like this. Okay, and you can see we already took the defined slope. Okay, then you can see all the four slides are sloped. These triangles represent the slope. Okay, so we have to tick this option, then we can go to 3D. Okay, so this is the view. So this is the view. Okay, this is the view, and if you want to lower the raise, you can do it. If you want to increase the raise, you can do like this. Okay, so this is the way how we create a hipped roof. Okay, if I want this, if I want to change this roof or edit this roof, if I say I want to change this roof to a gabled roof, what I do, you have to click this roof. You can go to top view. Okay, you can go to top view, then select the roof. Then there is an option here, edit footprint. Select this, and I want the slope. I want slope only in this direction and this direction only. Then you want to click this and untick this, and click this and untick this. Okay, then click the option, and then we have to go to 3D view, and you can see the 3D view is like this. Okay, front view, and this is the 3D view is like this. Okay, so if you want to change the height or adjust the height, you can do like this. Okay, so also if you want to lower the roof, this is actually not complete. Okay, because we know that this roof should be touched the bottom of this roof, right? So select this roof, and we have an option here, attach top or base. Okay, so select this option, then we have to click where the wall to be touched. Okay, so I want to touch this wall on the bottom of this roof, right? So I have to click the bottom of this roof. Okay, then the wall is attached to this roof. Then also I can see here is also an wall, and the same we have to do here also. So we have to click this wall, attach top or base. We have to click the bottom of this or base of this roof. Okay, so this is also done. Here also a wall. Here is also a wall. Select this wall and attach top or base. We have to attach this wall to this roof. Okay, so this is almost done. Okay, so if you want to change this roof, okay, if I say I want to change this roof to sloped only one direction, okay, how we edit it? We have to go to top view option, then we have to select this wall, then there is an option edit footprint. Okay, then I want to slope this roof only in the front direction only. Then what I do, we have to select this and untick this option, select this and untick this option, and also select this. We have to tick this option, right? We have to tick the defense slope here because I need a slope in this direction only. Okay, so you can see like this. Okay, if you want to adjust the height or the slope, you can done it from here like this. Okay, so this is the basic idea how we create a sloped roof. Okay, if I want this roof as a flat, what I do, you have to go to top view, then here is a edit footprint option, and if I want a flat roof, we know that all the sides must be flat, right? We don't need any slope here. So click this option and untick define slope, then put a tick mark, and we have to go to 3D option. You can see the flag here. Okay, so this is the basic idea how we create a flat roof. Okay, so actually I want a gabled roof above over this room and over this room. Okay, so let me do it. We have to go to top view. We have to edit footprint option, and I need here a slope, and also in this direction I need a slope. Okay, and also there is, I don't need any overhanging here, and I have to so put a tick mark. If you want to save, you can. Then we have to go to, this is the elevation. Okay, and this is the 3D view, and I want a gable roof also over this room. Okay, so you can go to FTSL level, and here also I need a gable roof. Okay, so click roof, and this is same as that of the previous one, so I don't need any duplication or edit in this case. So we have to directly go to this rectangular option. If you want any overhanging, you can put it there, 600 mm. Okay, so you have to tick mark, but we know that this is gable roof, right? Just forgot about it. We have done it footprint, and I need the slope only in this direction and this direction only. So I have to untick these two sides. Okay. So also, if you want any overhanging changes here, just using arrow keys. Okay. Here also you can adjust this. Put a tick mark, and you can go to, and from the elevation we can adjust the height. Okay. So if you want to attach topper base. Okay, and also here also you want to attach this wall to base of this wall. Okay, so this is the way how we create a gable roof. So now we want to provide roof in the other portions. Okay, so in this portion, in this front portion, I need a roof only one direction, and in this direction I need a flat roof. Okay, so first we have to provide one side slope roof here. Okay, so go to FTSL level, then architecture roof, and I want line to here, and if you want, you can if you want any overhanging, you can provide it. Okay, I'm just selecting it. Okay, so I already told you that I need a roof slab is sloping one side only. Okay, so I want to untick all other options. You can press Control, then you can select all the levels. It's not working, so no problem. I have to tick mark here. Actually, you need an edit here. I can pick a different slot. You have to put tick mark, and if you want, you can change the Actually, this is 30 degree. 30 degree means this will be a high slope roof. Okay. So it will be a little boring to the residential buildings. Okay. So I want to put only a small slope here, 1.3. Okay. So let's go to this option. And this is actually like this. I think the slope is not ruptured. And otherwise you have to put it in right view, and you have to adjust like this. Okay, to done it in this way also. Okay, otherwise you can go to edit footprint, and you can go to this top option. It's actually 5.3 I need. Okay. This is the way how we create a here. So here also I need some adjustments, and if you want, you can lower the roof, and we have here also we want to attach proper base. Okay. So we want to attach proper base, and also attach proper base, and here also attach proper base. Okay. This side also we want to attach the wall to roof. Okay. So more component. So these are the main things you have to do in a slope roof. Next, I want to place a dormer window above this roof. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to put it in 3D view, and then we have to put it in top view. Okay. So I have to provide a dormer window here. What I have to do is, we have an option wall here, right? So we have to click this wall option. So ensure that this is basic wall 120. That means the thickness of the wall is only 120 centimeter, 112 centimeter or 120 millimeter. Okay. So we have to provide the wall for this dormer window. Okay, here. So before that, we have to ensure the base constraint and the top constraint. Okay. So actually, in this case, base constraint is PL. PL means prime level. But the prime level means this the basic bottom level. Okay. So we need FTSL. So click FTSL, and the top constraint keep it as unconnected. Okay. Then we have to pick a rectangle, and we have to draw here a rectangle. Okay. So then we have to go to front elevation. You can see a dormer wall like this. Okay. So if you want to adjust the height, you can do it from here. Okay. So I want the height as I want this. Then you can put all the wall in this height. Okay. So this is actually 1150. If I want this as 1200, that means 1200 means only 120 centimeter. Okay. So I want this wall also in 1200. Also, this also in 1200, and this also in 1200. Okay. So the walls are ready here. Okay. So next we want to create a roof over it. Okay. So for that, we have to go to roof option. So if you drop down this roof option, we have an option roof by extrusion. Okay. So just click this option. We need to pick a plane. Okay. So I pick a plane here. Okay. So okay. So this is the plane, and we have to draw the roof by putting this figure in front elevation. Okay. So using this line tool, I just start to draw tick. Okay. So if you look at this figure, you can see this is actually longer to this. Okay. Actually, I need only this much. You put this in front view. Here also we need to attach this wall to this wall. Okay. And also the other wall. That side also we have to attach this wall to this wall. Okay. So this is how we create a roof or a dormer window here. So next step is we have to provide. I want to provide a flat roof here. Okay, a flat roof here. So before that, I have to provide some windows here. Okay, so we have architecture, window component is there, and you can choose a window from here. Otherwise, you can choose, you can go to edit type, then here is an option load. Okay, so go to load and drop it down, and here is libraries and US metric, and there is doors are door. Actually, we want to select windows, right? So there is window. This is window. Okay, so window is here. So for the gabled roof, I think much more beautiful window is like this. This is a suitable one. Otherwise, you have to choose this one. Okay, then open. Okay. If you want to change the length, height, and width, you can change it from here. Okay. So the width is 600. If you want the width as 600 is okay, you can provide it. Otherwise, you can change the height as 1500. Okay. Then okay. Then we have to put it over here. Let me put it in front view, and you can also play here. Also, you can press. Okay. You can adjust by looking arrow keys. If you want to change these windows, you can change this also. Okay. So this is the way how we provide the windows. And if you want the same window here, you can provide. Okay. So architecture tab, window, and if I want a smaller size of window here, you can go to edit type, and then you want to duplicate. Okay. Then you want to change the size from here. Okay. So we have to provide the width as 400, not 400. I need only 300, and the height as 600. Okay. Actually, this is little bit. Okay. So this is the window. This is how we adjust the size of the windows. Okay. So this is the basic concept of how we create a roof and how we provide the doors and windows. And also we have to provide a door here. Okay, so we have to go to door option. Same way we created the window. Okay, here is a load family option. So we can click this option, and we have to go to libraries, US metric, and the doors are here. So you have a folder here, residential. Then you have to choose the right door from this. I choose this and open. And okay, if you want any changes in the dimensions, you can change from there. And otherwise, you have to put it here. I think this is a little bit larger. Okay. So this is how we create a door, window, roof in a residential building. Okay. So that's for today. Thank you.